So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy compound cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom, in the middle, and select the magnifying glass icon. Once you're here, go to the top where it says Explore, search by name or symbol, and then start typing in compound, ticker symbol COMP. Once you have it selected, go to the bottom and press buy. Now on this page, you can select how much of this you want to purchase. So if you wanted to do $4 worth, you type in 4, and then you can press review. And then once you're in this page, you can review the order. So how much compound crypto you're purchasing, the fees, the total cost. And if this looks good, go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy compound crypto here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.